Good evening. Recently we are standing on the stable bridge, which is exceedingly strong, and there you can see the highway, the road ahead. We're speaking at that moment. People are having numerous cars and truck trailers and buses. Everything is running around and driving around. Bicycles they have on the sidewalks where are the bicycle lanes, but not over there. As long as I know, it's not allowed at all to ride a bike over there. This is how Toronto looks like from the highway. Lots of space for all the cars to drive around. From work usually they are running at all times, these people.